Welcome back to Tax Tip Tuesday. A lot of you business owners and entrepreneurs, you're out there leasing awesome spaces, improving those spaces as tenants, and not taking advantage of all you can on the tax side. So if you're leasing a space, you're spending any money on improvements or build outs, enhancements, that's flooring, electrical, building partitions, building out bathrooms, painting, cabinetry, anything you're doing to make that space really cool, really nice, you can take a tremendous amount of advantage on your taxes. You have choices. A lot of the small stuff you can expense, but the big items you can depreciate. You can choose to spread out over 15 years in some cases, choose to spread out over the life of the lease, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, whatever that useful life is on your lease and for those improvements you're making. And here's the really awesome one. You can choose bonus or 179 depreciation on these leasehold improvements and write it all off in 1 year. So that's super exciting because you can pretty much eliminate all of your taxes or a large majority of your tax burden for your business by taking advantage of the bonus and 179 depreciation for leasehold improvements. For 179, this is up to a little over $1 million a year. For bonus, there's almost no limit. So you can write off hundreds of thousands of dollars of improvements, even if you borrow money from the bank to do it, or you borrow funds from an investor or somebody to make these improvements. So you can take a tremendous amount of tax advantage to leasing and improving a space. Even though you don't own it, you still get tremendous tax deductions as a business owner or an entrepreneur leasing spaces, building it out. Whether you're making it nicer or it's a raw space you got to completely build out, it's all the same. So make sure you are taking advantage of this tax tip, saving tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars on your taxes. It makes a huge difference, helps you keep more of that money in your pocket and less going into the government. That is your Tax Tip Tuesday. See you next week.